Welcome to the instructions video for the Angular Resolution Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you determine the minimum angle at which an optical system can distinguish between two separate points of light, based on diffraction physics and the Rayleigh criterion. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two key values. First, input the wavelength of light you're working with. For visible light, this is typically around 550 nanometers. Enter this value in the wavelength field. Next, enter the aperture diameter of your optical system, such as your telescope or camera lens diameter in millimeters. For our example, let's use 200 millimeters. Once both values are entered, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display your angular resolution in radians, and may also show the result converted to arcseconds, which is commonly used in astronomy. Smaller values indicate better resolving power. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.